So, you're driving down the road, minding your own business, and then the unexpected happens. Maybe it's a fender bender, a questionable insurance claim, or even just a wild meteor shower you wish you'd caught on camera. These days, having an extra set of eyes on the road isn't just a cool tech gadget, it's practically a necessity. A good dashcam provides undeniable proof for insurance, a layer of security when you're parked, and honestly just a whole lot of peace of mind. It's the silent witness that's always on your side, recording everything so you don't have to rely on memory or those he said she said arguments. It's one of those things you buy hoping you'll never actually need the footage. But when you do, you'll be incredibly glad you have it. The technology in these little cameras has gotten seriously impressive over the last couple of years. We're talking about 4K resolution, cloud connectivity, smart features, and more. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to figure out which one is the right fit for you. Do you need the absolute best image quality, or is value for money the top priority? What about parking mode, or a camera that also sees inside the car? That's what this video is all about. We've spent a ton of time testing, comparing, and living with the latest and greatest to bring you what we think are the top 5 front and rear dash cams for 2025. We're going to break down the key features, the image quality, the user experience, and who each of these cameras is really for. By the end of this, you should have a really clear idea of which dash cam deserves a spot on your windshield, so let's get into it. Kicking things off at the high end, we have the Nextbase 622GW. This has been a top contender for a while, and for good reason. The headline feature here is its stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution from the front camera. The level of detail you get is just incredible. We're talking about being able to clearly read license plates from a significant distance, even in challenging lighting conditions. It's not just about resolution though. Nextbase has packed in digital image stabilization, which is a huge deal for smoothing out bumpy roads and making the footage much more watchable. It genuinely makes a difference compared to unstabilized clips. But where the 622GW really starts to feel like a smart device is with its integrations. It has Alexa built in, so you can use voice commands to start or stop recording, protect a file, or even ask for directions without taking your hands off the wheel. Then there's the emergency SOS feature. If the camera detects a serious crash and you're unresponsive, it can automatically alert emergency services with your GPS location. That's a safety feature that could literally be a lifesaver. This is the kind of thoughtful tech that elevates it beyond just a simple camera. Finally, let's talk connectivity. It has built-in Wi-Fi for quickly transferring files to your phone, which is pretty standard now. But it also has what Nextbase calls live cloud compatibility. This means it can automatically upload crucial event files to their cloud service, ensuring your evidence is safe, even if the camera or SD card is damaged or stolen after an incident. All these features combined make the 622GW the easy choice for the tech-savvy driver who wants the best image quality and a suite of powerful, well-integrated smart features. It's a premium package with a price to match, but the performance and features justify it. Alright, not everyone needs or wants to spend top dollar, and that's where our next pick, the Viofo A229 Duo, comes in. Viofo has built a reputation for delivering fantastic performance for the money, and the A229 Duo is the perfect example of that. For the front camera, you're getting crisp 2K resolution, which is a noticeable step up from standard 1080p. The rear camera records in a solid 1080p, giving you great coverage for incidents behind you. The video quality, especially for the price point, is genuinely impressive, with good dynamic range and solid nighttime performance thanks to its Sony Starvis sensors. What I appreciate about Viofo is that they don't skimp on the core features even at this price. The A229 Duo comes with built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, which makes downloading footage to the Viofo app on your phone super fast and reliable. It also includes a GPS module right in the mount, so all your recordings are stamped with speed and location data without needing a separate, clumsy accessory. This is crucial information to have if you ever need to use the footage for an insurance claim, and it's great that it's included as standard. The standout feature for many, though, will be its buffered parking mode. When hardwired to your car, this mode allows the camera to record a few seconds before an impact or motion is detected while parked. So, instead of just seeing the aftermath of a parking lot hit and run, you get the context leading up to it, which can be invaluable. For the budget-conscious driver who still wants reliable, high-quality front and rear recording with essential features like GPS and a smart parking mode, the Viofo A229 Duo is, in my opinion, the undisputed value king. It's the one I'd recommend to most of my friends and family. Next up is something a little different. This is the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem, and its whole philosophy is built around being as small and discreet as possible. Seriously, this thing is tiny, about the size of a car key fob. It's designed to tuck away neatly behind your rearview mirror, to the point where both you and people outside the car will barely notice it's there. If you're looking for a clean, almost factory-installed look and don't want a bulky camera cluttering your view, the Tandem is in a class of its own. It's the definition of set-it-and-forget-it hardware. The Tandem name comes from its dual-lens setup, but it's not a front and rear system in the traditional sense. It has a forward-facing lens that captures the road ahead in sharp 1440p resolution. The second lens, however, is on the back of the unit and points inside the car, recording the cabin in 720p with a super-wide 180-degree field of view. This interior camera also uses Garmin's night glow technology, allowing it to see clearly in complete darkness, which is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants a record of what's happening inside their vehicle. Despite its size, Garmin still managed to pack in some smarts. It has voice control, so you can say, "Okay, Garmin," to save a video, take a picture, or start and stop audio recording without fumbling for buttons. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to sync with the Garmin Drive app on your phone, making it easy to view and share footage from both lenses. While it doesn't have a rear window camera, the Garmin Tandem is the perfect solution for those who prioritize a discreet design and need robust surveillance of both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior. For some drivers, front and rear coverage just isn't enough. That's where the Vantrue N4 comes in, offering a triple-channel recording system. This is the ultimate setup for comprehensive surveillance. You get a front-facing camera recording in 1440p, a rear-facing camera for the back window recording in 1080p, and an interior cabin camera, also in 1080p, that's built right into the main front unit. This 3-camera setup ensures that you're capturing pretty much everything happening in and around your vehicle, from every important angle. It leaves very few blind spots. The interior camera is a particularly strong feature. It uses 4 infrared LEDs to provide exceptional clarity inside the cabin, even in pitch-black conditions, making it an absolute must-have for rideshare drivers, taxi drivers, or anyone operating a commercial vehicle. Having that indisputable record of every interaction with passengers provides a huge layer of protection and accountability. For truckers, being able to monitor the cab and the road ahead and behind simultaneously is a massive asset for security and incident reporting. The N4 is built for professionals who need maximum coverage. Beyond the 3 channels, the Vantrue N4 has a robust set of features tailored for this kind of use. Its parking mode is highly configurable with options for collision detection, motion detection, and even low bitrate recording to save space on the memory card during long periods. The G-sensor is highly sensitive and will automatically lock and save footage when it detects a sudden impact or jolt, ensuring your critical evidence is never overwritten. If your primary concern is capturing as much as possible, the Vantrue N4 is the all-seeing eye you need. It's the workhorse of the dash cam world. For our final pick, we're looking at the camera for the user who wants the absolute best in cloud connectivity and remote access. This is the Blackview DR900X2CH. On the surface, its specs are top tier, a beautiful 4K recording front camera and a full HD 1080p rear camera. The video quality is phenomenal with excellent detail and color reproduction. The design is also a standout feature. It's a sleek, lipstick-style tube that mounts very discreetly with no screen to distract you while driving. It's a premium minimalist piece of hardware. Where the DR900X truly separates itself from the pack is with its cloud features. When the camera is connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot in your car, it unlocks a whole suite of remote capabilities through the Blackview cloud service. You can get push notifications sent directly to your phone the instant an impact is detected while you're parked. You can check a live view from either the front or rear camera from anywhere in the world. You can even use two-way voice communication to talk through the camera's speaker. It effectively turns your dash cam into a sophisticated, connected car security system. This cloud functionality also provides a huge backup advantage. You can have the camera automatically upload important event files to the cloud, so the footage is safe no matter what happens to the car or the camera itself. It also has built-in voltage monitoring for its parking mode, so it will intelligently shut down to prevent draining your car's battery. Yes, it's one of the more expensive options, and you need a mobile hotspot to unlock its full potential. But for the user who wants the ultimate in premium cloud features, remote surveillance, and ultra-clear 4K video, the Blackview DR900X2 CH is the one to get. So there you have it. 5 incredible front and rear dash cams, each with its own strengths, ready for 2025. From the all-around tech powerhouse in the Nextbase 622GW to the unbeatable value of the Viofo A229 Duo, the stealthy Garmin Tandem, the comprehensive Vantru N4, and the cloud-connected Blackview DR900X. The right choice for you really depends on your priorities, whether that's budget, discretion, maximum coverage, or remote access. But no matter which one you choose, you're making a smart decision. Ultimately, a dashcam is one of the best investments you can make for your vehicle. It's a relatively small cost for something that can potentially save you thousands of dollars on an insurance deductible, protect you from a fraudulent claim, or simply give you the peace of mind that you have an unbiased record of events. It's that silent partner that's always looking out for you on the road and in the parking lot, and once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. It's a layer of security that's just smart. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, keep an eye out as we get closer to the holiday season. Big shopping events, especially Black Friday, are historically the best time to find significant discounts on dash cams. You can often find great bundle deals that include the hardwiring kits or larger memory cards, so it's worth waiting for if you can. Be sure to check the links in the description for the most up-to-date pricing on all the models we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.